It's been a hot minute since we've done a thing review. Let's do one today. I'm out here doing some woodworking today, taking some pellets, breaking them down to this, and then taking the raw pellet wood and turning it into nice usable lumber, which can only be done with a planer. And as such, the thing review for the day is the Wen 12-inch planer. I've had this bad boy for a few months, probably about somewhere between 6 to 8 months, and I do like it, but there are some issues. Let's talk about that. Let me show you how this works. First, you turn the knob, and that'll lower and raise the blade. This gauge shows the thickness of what the wood will become after you send it through. Right now I have it set to 1/2 inch, so anything you put in here comes out as 1/2 inch thick. As you can see here, this piece of wood is over 1/2 inch thick, so let's send it through. Always use protection. And now we're at 1/2 inch thickness. As you can see, it works, but there are some issues. Let me show you. The biggest issue that I have is that this bolt right here on this side actually fell out, and then when I put it back in, I started tightening it, the bolt snapped off in here, which this is the handle, so if this isn't secure, you can't use the handle. This machine weighs 50 or 60 pounds, so it's not light, so you gotta have a good way to hold it. All in all, it's actually one of my most recent purchases of big tools that I have. I still like it. I still like the Wen brand specifically, but there are some issues. It's not built perfectly. The thing was only like $300 or something. Worth the money, but you will need to upgrade at some point. I'm already feeling the need to upgrade, and I've only had it for less than a year. So if you're just starting out and you're looking for a cheap planer, this is a good one. I do recommend it. You will grow out of it at some point, but if you're starting out, you're gonna have plenty of time to play around with it before you find out really what you want. Also, I have 3-minute videos unlocked, so that's why this video is so long.